just to expand on this, now we keep hearing this word, MICE. So what is
Right.
this? What are the facets of an event business?
I'll give you our case. I mean, and that'll kind of maybe in some way explain to you. I did mention that there are two sides of the universe that we work with. One is the consuming end or the consumer, and two is the distribution end or the product end, which is the brand. Now, in our business, and I must use a specific case just to explain myself, we have 4 business verticals. While we are called an event company or an experiential marketing company, there are 4 different P&Ls that we have, 4 different divisions that we have, each with their own P&L, each with their own business heads, each with their own staff. Of course, we have common departments like finance, administration, HR. These are all departments that are common to all the 4 verticals. Now, let me explain the 4 verticals. One scenario is mandated events where we go out to a brand. The brand says, this is what the brand is. This is what I want to achieve in the immediate going forward. How do I do it? So they give us a brief. They tell us, we must be very careful to understand what the brief is. You understand the brief. We bring it back to planning and creative. We come up with a solution. We take it back. Client servicing takes it back to the client. It goes back and forth. Obviously, we live in a competitive world. So, you're always pitching for business. Not all work is a given. If you win the pitch, you go back and you execute it. And you measure, the effectiveness of what you've done. That's mandated events, which are mandated by a brand or a consumer. The other kind of events we do are activation events, which are last mile connect with consumer. So it means large scale activation. You want sampling, as an activation activity, and you go into towns, into smaller towns and things like that. Now for instance, we do activation for the NBA basketball. We do various other activations for brands across 50 cities, 80 cities, 100 cities, 150 cities. Those are large scale brand activations which are long term, that run over many, many months. That's the second kind. I did mention that we are as connected with the consumer as we are with the brand. So what we do is we create intellectual properties. We aggregate consumers. So the blues festival you mentioned, the Mahindra Blues Festival. Now there was a vision from Mr. Mahindra, who said he wanted to create an emotional bridge between India and the southern states of America. He wanted to actually create this. Why? Because he has farming equipment, the whole cars, tractors, all of that. He wanted to create an emotional bridge. It was a marketing brief, not a sales brief. And I'm so glad to say, so the IP department, which creates intellectual properties based on aggregating consumers and community, is a department that takes a brief like this, sits with creative, sits with strategy, and we plan something. We plan a property that will be a repeated property, will be year on year. It's an intellectual property owned by the brand, but it has long-term objectives, not short-term objectives. And, we decide along with the client that it will take us 3 years, it will take us 5 years. And we work at reducing that time period, obviously, but it's a property that will happen year on year. And the intellectual rights are owned by the brand or by the client, but we grow it as we go along. And the Mahindra Blues Festival is a very classic case of that. We also have a digital company, which actually works on digitizing some of the work we do and offering digital products to the market. Because while activation, while live events on ground will continue to happen, amplification is a very important factor. And so digital is a great asset to the experiential marketing industry. We have to understand that for amplification of our thought, for amplification, of our communication and our messaging, digital is a great asset, not just for amplification, but for measurement as well. So, I won't go into micro details, but we have a couple of products that we've created which help map the effectiveness of what we do globally, not just in India. And those are products that, even as an aside, large global companies are using. Okay. So, one is called Traction, one is called Kit, but digital is a great asset to have in experiential marketing. So that's the third division. And the fourth division is what you mentioned earlier, which, the acronym is MICE.
Yeah.
Now, MICE stands for meetings, incentives, conferences, and exhibitions. Okay, that's what it stands for. But primarily in India, it's more incentives. So what do I mean? That's a business where there's a large company, let's say, a banking company or a financial company or a FMCG company, whatever company, they want to reward their people. They want to reward either their internal people, or they want to reward their retailers, they want to reward their distributors, whatever it might be. What they do is it's based on certain parameters that they set. And then at the end of the day, we do groups from as small as 50 people to as large as 5,000 people over a year. And we take them to various destinations in the world. So primarily what MICE does, it deals with travel and travel logistics. It deals with hospitality, which is, hotels and accommodation. It deals with ground transportation, which means, as you know, travel to and fro to various destinations and back. But more importantly, each of these trips that we do, whether it's with employees, whether it's with retailers, have a finer purpose. It's not just a reward for a job well done, but we use it as an opportunity where you have an audience with you, and it's used to subtly transfer messages from the brand or from the brand ownership to these people. You thank them for what they have done for you and for the brand, but in the process, you also because you have them captive, you actually take them through who you are in a little deeper way while you thank them. So these are very, very important aspects of the business we're in, MICE. Some people treat it as a travel business. We treat it as one essential of the experiential business. So that is MICE. So these are the 4 areas that we as a company are involved in. The idea was to provide a single window, to a brand.